Happy New Year, happy 2026. Welcome to 2026. This is our official very first video in this year. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you so much for watching my video in the year 2025. Thank you for the encouragement. So, in today's video, our first ingredient is cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder may promote hair growth by boosting scalp circulation, delivering more nutrients to follicles, and its antifungal and antimicrobial property can improve scalp health, reduce dandruff and infection like folliculitis. It fights dandruff. The antimicrobial action may help fight scalp bacteria and infection like folliculitis, which can damage follicles and hinder growth. It, it contains vitamin A, C, B, and mineral, which contribute to overall hair health. So our second ingredient is black seed. Black seed benefits hair growth by nourishing follicle, reduce inflammation and improve scalp health with antioxidants, fatty acid and mineral, helping control hair loss, thicken hair, adding shine and combat dandruff through its moisturizing, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property, stimulates circulation for healthier, stronger hair. So the third ingredient is Amla powder. Amla powder nourishes the hair follicle and roots, improving blood circulation in the scalp and encouraging healthy hair growth while reducing hair fall. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial property help cleanse the scalp, maintain a balanced pH level, and fight dandruff and itchiness. Amla acts as a natural conditioner, restoring moisture and adding a healthy shine and volume to the hair. So the next ingredient is Moringa powder. Moringa packed with vitamin A, B, C, E and mineral, iron, zinc, selenium, calcium, vital for hair follicle health and function. Iron and zinc improve blood flow to the scalp, delivering oxygen and nutrients to follicle, while vitamin A supports cell development, promoting faster, thicker hair. The next ingredient is rosemary leaf. Rosemary improves blood flow to the scalp, ensuring follicle gets vital nutrients for growth, nourish follicle and make hair more resistant to breakage and damage, strengthen follicle and can help with hair loss condition like androgenic alopecia, partially revealing menopausal. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory property reduce dryness, itchiness, and dandruff. So the next ingredient is henna powder. This is an homemade henna powder. Henna powder strengthening hair, adds shine, promotes growth and condition deeply by binding to keratin, balances scalp oil and fights dandruff with its antifungal property, making hair stronger, smoother and healthier while natural coloring it. It nourishes the scalp, reduces breakage and can help with issues like dryness, breakage and excess oil. So our last ingredient is aloe vera powder. Aloe vera powder benefits hair by moisturizing the scalp, reducing dandruff and itchiness, control oil, strengthening strand and promotes growth through scalp healing and follicle, stimulating, adding softness, shine and protect against UV damage, making it great for overall scalp health and hair revitalization. So in a clean bowl, I'm just going to go ahead and measure 1 spoon of each of the ingredients, one spoon of it. I measure 1 spoon of moringa, 1 spoon of aloe vera, every ingredient I mention in this video. So I just measure 1 spoon of it. If you don't have all the ingredients I use, you can use whatever you have available. You can substitute it with clove, fenugreek powder, star anise, etc. You can also use the cinnamon stick. If you do not have this cinnamon powder, you can use the stick one, just pound it or blend it. You can grind it into a powder one. And this henna is a homemade product. If you want me to show you how I make this henna powder, just let me know in the comment section. I'm just going to drop the video, and the moringa and the aloe vera powder rather, you can just comment, and I'm just going to go ahead and drop it. You can see that they all have same benefits, or let me just say they all works, let me just say they work together, like their benefits look similar. So you can substitute it. If you have only three ingredients, you can use that. This DIY is for a friend. That is the reason I use all these ingredients. So you can substitute it with whatever you have at your home. Making this oil as my very first official video in 2026 make me happy, because a friend just walked to me and appreciate my hair, appreciate my artwork. So make me happy that what I'm doing, someone just appreciates it. That was the reason why I'm just going to dash it out, give it to her, like, you appreciate my artwork. So I'm just going to add in olive oil. You can use whatever oil you have available, either coconut oil, just any carrier oil of your choice. So after measuring each tablespoon of it, then I add in my olive oil into it, then mix thoroughly and cover and leave it for 3 days. So I cover it and leave it for 3 days for it to infuse. So after 3 days, I noticed that it has not already properly infused. So I leave it for another 4 days, making it 7 days. So this is after 7 days, it has properly infused, and I know this has already infused. The oil has changed. The all the ingredients have infused into the oil. So I stir it, then strain it using another bowl and a cheesecloth, just whatever you know that it has tiny holes, whatever you can use it to strain it. And make sure everything you use is very clean. And notice, make sure you don't have water in a bowl you are using to strain it. Make sure everything is clean. Avoid water, don't use water, because using water, we don't add preservative to it, so it can spoil it. So I strain it. Make sure you strain it and avoid all the particles. If you notice any particles in it, strain it again. You can strain it like 2 or 3 times. Make sure you avoid any particle. As you can see, this oil has already infused. This oil is very potent. This oil is very potent. This time our hair growth oil is ready. You can add in your essential oil, whatever essential oil you have, then transfer it into a container. Use this on your hair, apply this on your scalp, on your hair strand. Use it consistently for, let me say, for 3 months, and definitely you will see changes. You will definitely see changes on your hair. So thank you so much for watching. If you watch to this end, give me a love in the comment section, and please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Share to your family and friends who are struggling to grow their hair. All these DIY works. Yes, I am a living testimony. I tested it and it works for me. Just start in this 2026. Follow all the recipe on this channel on YouTube general. Search all the DIYs and it work. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye loves.